What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I've been using the Microsoft Surface Duo for about a month now, and I've been using the red bumper, and it's really nice. But now it's time to skin it up. Look, I have the Sophie Guard skin here, and I want to make this device fire. So let me go ahead on and put the Sophie Guard skin on my Microsoft Surface Duo, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts about this device if I have it about a month. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm about to red skin out my Microsoft Surface Duo and make it fire. But you know what? The power of video editing. Let me go on and install the Sophie Guard skin on my Microsoft Surface Duo. So check this out. So here is my Surface Duo with the Sophie Guard skin on it. So let me show you the device, and I'm going to give you my thoughts of having the Surface Duo for about a month now. The Surface Duo is an all-around business device for me, right? I use this device in conjunction with my Galaxy Z Fold 2 as my go-to device for getting work done. The Surface Duo is a fantastic device when using two apps and getting a lot of work done at the same time. With no compromises, typing up documents and stuff like that, I get a very good experience. A lot of people ragged on this device for poor software. Look, I would agree that the software on this device is not 100%. But name a device that does have software 100%. And also people ragged on this device with poor cameras. I would agree with that. That's why I imported Gcam on this device. So all my photos and videos are good now. So my workflow have not been an issue for me. I love using two apps at the same time. I love having one app open and I'm typing with the keyboard at the bottom. It works great for me in that aspect. So using the Surface Duo is a fantastic tool in my opinion, especially if you want to run two apps at the same time, get full displays, and to get a lot of work done. Now, yes, you can interact with two apps at the same time, and it works great. So I don't have no issues here as far as performance. This device performs very well for what I need. I know that Microsoft is still updating this device to fix some of the software issues. And for my needs and for my workflow, the Surface Duo been working fine for me. Microsoft continued to update this device to fix the software issues that it has. So far for me, I'm not encountering that many software issues that will hinder my workflow. It's been working great for me and I don't have any issues with that. I put a launcher on top of my Microsoft launcher and it works great. The device is plenty powerful, so I don't have any slowdowns, any hiccups. Now, of course, it don't have a high refresh rate, but look, when I'm doing business tasks, high refresh rate is not my concern. When I'm typing up documents, or if I'm doing an Excel spreadsheet, high refresh is not what I'm concerned about. I just want to get work done, and this device does it very well. Now, again, when I talk about, I've used this device in conjunction with my Galaxy Z Fold 2 when I need to, connect to a monitor to work with decks and wireless decks and something like that. I use my Galaxy Z Fold 2 for that. If you want to use this device for productivity, this is a fantastic phone for that. But I just want to give you guys my thoughts after having this device after 1 month. And it's been great for me. I don't have any issues with it, but I wanted to put that Sophie Guard skin on here and let y'all guys see that Sophie Guard skin on the Microsoft Surface Duo, and to kind of give you guys my thoughts on having this device. This is my go-to device when I want to get a lot of work done. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Microsoft Surface Duo and the skin. Oh, that's fire. Woo, that baby is fire, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what man. Thank you. See you guys on the next video. Peace.